Hello guys, this is Billy Joe with a new plugin called Shop Inventory. It's basically just a plugin where you can drag and drop to sell/purchase items set up by the server owner, which you can configure their buy price, sell price, item ID, plugin command that's ran on bot, group permission that's ran, things like that. It's very fully configurable. I'll go ahead and pop the config up on screen now, just so you guys can kind of have a look at a basic of the config. There's a bunch of things like sound settings, which are just kind of the effect prefabs. Which economy you want to use. By default it is set as scrap. You can even customize the skin of the economy item, and obviously as well there's server rewards that's supported, as well as economics plugin, as well as no escape for you guys that want to block this while being building blocked or raid blocked. So with all that being said, we'll just go ahead and show off the plugin now. So by default the command is shop. Now you can also customize what other aliases you can have. I haven't one set up as S right now. So when I do that, you'll see this will open up, and you'll just be prompted like with a little storage container. So as you'll see here, you'll have the categories up here, which we have just by default. This is the default config. You guys can add and do whatever you wish as you go by. We'll go ahead and start off with just showing off the splitting method when purchasing. So as you can see here, we have a 10k stack. Obviously, if the user doesn't want to buy 10k, you can just drag 5k over. In this case, you'll hear I just got a red noise. And that's just pretty much saying that you can't afford this item with the selected amount. Now before I actually push this update or out, it will actually have the price here, the name. Right now I don't have it, but I will do that before I push out the update, just that way users can see how much the price is. But we'll just go ahead and start off with the 500 wood instead. So if I drag the 500 wood, you'll see, are you sure you want to buy it? With this confirmation popping up. I'm just going to go ahead and purchase it and not show again, just so when we purchase other items you don't have to see it. But as you can see here, we got that all done. So now, let's say I want to go sell this wood on the market. I can just go ahead and drag it in and try to sell it. But as you did see here, this item cannot be sold. So when an item has a -1 in the config, it just means that the item can't be sold, and it will give them that message. This is obviously to stop like exploiting with certain things that you guys don't want to be sold. So we'll just go ahead and try to purchase the AK now. So when you see you purchase the AK, the confirmation did pop up again, and that's just because the confirmation comes and goes based on when they open and close the shop. So if I don't close the shop and I try to go make purchases and sales, you'll see here, I won't get the confirmation. So after I purchase that, if I go try to sell it now, it will just sell without any confirmation, and you'll see the item stack it here. So that's pretty much how that all works. Very basic summary. Over here you'll have your page up, page back, based on if you actually have enough items for that. And as well as you have your search, it does search through categories. You don't have to be actually selected. So if I just search wood, you'll see it pop up here. Obviously, that will reset it and all that. So with that being said, you also have your information little window, which when you click it, just gives you a little information window on how to purchase and sell. This is all customizable in the language file. So obviously the language file that gets generated, you guys can edit that, and even all this text here. So. But if you guys have any questions or any further feedback or anything like that, make sure to reach out to me. I want to make sure we make this plugin a good community plugin. So if there's any other economy plugins you guys want or anything like that, let me know. Or if you run into any issues, let me know in the support thread. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this plugin and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.